Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel. In this one, I want to talk about how you can see your pace on the Apple Watch. So obviously the pace is only applicable when you're moving in a certain direction. You can't have or track any pace if you're not moving. And there are many built-in tracking features for your movement in the Apple Watch, but the pace is only visible when you enable and start a new workout. So open up the workout application on your Apple Watch. It's the green looking icon with a person on it. Then obviously start a new workout. It might be the walking exercise, running, no matter if it's indoor or outdoor. You can easily just click on start, and throughout the movement, you'll be able to see your pace. Inside the Apple Watch workout page, you can also swipe up and down to change the view and perhaps see even more controls or useful metrics about your exercise. So if you can't see the pace, try swiping through the pages a few times to see if anything useful appears. But as I say, there are only a bunch of workouts where the pace is being tracked. You can't be tracking the pace of a weightlifting workout, for example, but those that have it available include outdoor runs, outdoor walk, hiking, or trail running. These workouts are taking advantage of the GPS tech inside the watch. Indoor workouts tracking pace include also running or walking on a treadmill, where the GPS cannot really be used for that purpose, but the watch can estimate pace using sensor data. So you also get some sort of useful information from it. And that's basically everything I wanted to let you know about. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, as it does help the channel. And you can also subscribe because I publish a bunch of these tutorials and you might find some of them helpful. Thank you for watching.